Do you ever feel like you waste hours vibe coding with AI and you could have just written it faster by yourself? In 3 minutes, I'll show you how to vibe code like a professional. Think about this as a masterclass for developers in 2025. Rule number one, you have to plan and don't just start writing code. And even for the planning, I don't do it manually. I use tools like ChatGPT, or even if you know Kiro AI, they have the plan mode. Even on Qoder, there is a plan mode, and you plan what you want to do, document it. The second rule is to build one feature at a time. Don't just ask AI to give me an entire app, football betting app. One thing I've noticed over time, for example, do you know that AI can actually write your code and then under authentication, it leaves a comment as to do, and that it's going to do that in future. And in your head, you have a complete app. Everything is working. Authentication is working, but it's actually not done yet. Rule 4. The fourth rule is going to be for you to test after every iteration. Do not wait and let AI generate files and files of code without testing. There are a lot of bugs and you spend days trying to fix the mess that AI has created. The fifth rule is what favorite of mine. Image screenshots actually beats explaining via text. What do I mean? Apart from even when you're just generating a brand new UI, you send a screenshot. Imagine if you ask AI to do something for you and a button is not arranged, stuff are not arranged properly, then for you to just go back and say, oh, this is not working, the button is in the wrong place. If you actually take a screenshot of the button in the wrong place and even use those pen tools and draw arrows and say this button is supposed to be here and send that screenshot along with your text prompt, you're actually going to get a very different result. The sixth rule is to keep it simple. AI actually loves to over engineer. What do I mean? A lot of times there's an easy way to do stuff and it's going to just add every feature possible to that particular page, and everything is just so complicated. It will have so many checks that are necessary. One thing I like to do is that when I write my prompt, I remember to say do not over engineer. So you have to keep remembering to like put this in your prompt or even in your rule book. So the seventh rule, which is a very important rule, is to read the errors, understand the errors before you ask AI to fix them. If you understand the errors, you'll be able to prompt better. You will not just waste tokens because tokens are money, right? If you actually understand the error, you'll be able to give it the right context, and that way you're sure that it's able to fix the error in the first few iterations, not the one that you're doing. Fix this. The last but not the least, the eighth rule is do not fear reverting. One thing I should always say is always remember to commit your use Git. Even if you don't push your code online, I know some of you are developing things that cannot get online. Do you know that you can actually use Git locally? You can use the Git feature to commit, stage, and not push anything to any repo. So these are the 8 rules that generally differentiate you and make you a better developer when vibe coding. If you like this video and you want to see more things like this, remember to subscribe.